Hello, marketing enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. We'll be unveiling 10 game-changing WhatsApp marketing tricks that will supercharge your digital marketing efforts. So, stay tuned because you don't want to miss out on these secrets. 10 new WhatsApp marketing tricks. Trick 1. The power of WhatsApp status updates host. Our first trick is all about leveraging WhatsApp's status feature for your marketing endeavors. Did you know that you can share images, videos, and updates with your audience through this feature? It's a fantastic way to keep your customers engaged and informed about your latest products and promotions. Let's dive in. Trick 2. Building customer communities host. Next up, we'll explore how to create exclusive customer communities on WhatsApp. It's like having your own private club for your most loyal customers. We'll show you how to set it up, engage your audience, and build a strong brand following. Stay with us. Trick 3. Personalized broadcast lists. Trick number 3 is all about personalized broadcast lists. Imagine sending tailored messages to different segments of your customer base. It's the key to making your marketing messages more effective and personalized. Get ready to take your marketing to the next level. Trick 4. Automated customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial, and WhatsApp can help you do it efficiently. We'll explore how to set up automated responses and chatbots that can handle customer inquiries round the clock. Don't miss this fantastic trick. Trick 5. Video marketing on WhatsApp. Video marketing is booming, and WhatsApp is an untapped goldmine for this. Trick number 5 will unveil the secrets of using videos to capture your audience's attention. We'll guide you on how to create compelling video content and share it with your customers. Trick 6. Running contests and giveaways. Who doesn't love contests and giveaways? Trick number 7 will reveal how to run engaging WhatsApp contests and giveaways to build excitement and increase your brand's visibility. Get ready to make your audience's day. Trick 7. Integrating WhatsApp with your website. Integrating WhatsApp with your website can work wonders for your business. We'll show you how to do it seamlessly, making it easy for your customers to connect with you. It's a fantastic way to enhance user experience and boost conversions. Trick 8. WhatsApp payments for e-commerce. E-commerce is thriving, and WhatsApp payments can streamline your sales process. In trick number 8, we'll explore how to set up WhatsApp payments for your business, making it easy for your customers to shop from you. It's a game changer. Trick 9. Collaborating with influencers. Influencer marketing is powerful, and WhatsApp can be your bridge to influential personalities. We'll guide you on how to collaborate with influencers and expand your brand's reach. It's a strategy that's taking the marketing world by storm. Trick 10. Analyzing WhatsApp insights. Last but not least, trick number 10 will teach you how to analyze WhatsApp insights. Data is crucial for refining your marketing strategy, and WhatsApp provides valuable insights. Learn how to make data-driven decisions to improve your results. And there you have it, 10 incredible WhatsApp marketing tricks that can transform your business. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow marketers. Connect us via social media. Contact us via social media. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on digital marketing. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching.